Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this short tutorial, I will teach you how to export a RIS file from your search strategy at Cochrane, even if you don't have a Cochrane account. I hope you enjoy it. So this is the how-to uh, for the using the note for the notebook I create and I share with you. The first thing you will see is how to search at Cochrane. So if you click this link, it will redirect you to the Cochrane advanced search platform. I already placed here a search strategy, so I will run the search strategy yield 97 articles, so I will increase the number of results per page to see all the articles. Now we have 100 articles at minimum, but we have 97, so the article at the bottom might be the 97th one. Let's see. Yeah, we have the 97 articles in total. I will copy those articles, the name of the articles and the metadata that we can see here. That is the name of the article, the name of the authors, the name of the journal, the year of publication, and so on. So I will right click and copy all the info. I will open a note block, and I will paste the information that I already have from the first article to the 97th article. So I will save it as Cochrane reference text. Let's save it with a new name. I will use as a name maybe Cochrane ref. Yeah, that will be the name in text. That's okay. Save. Now that I have the saved version of this file, I will go back to my Python notebook in Google Colab, and let's see what's the next step. Let's summarize. I search at Cochrane, I place my query, I run the search strategy, I increase the number of results per page, but pitifully I have no way, because I have I don't have a Cochrane account to download the bulk of articles in here. So because of that, I shadow all the articles and copy and paste them into a txt, into a note block, and I save it in my folder. Now that I'm here, I will use this notebook to convert all the files into RIS files. That will be cool. So there is a way to upload here the new files. So I will upload the search. Is this one, Cochrane ref text? I will open it, accept. Now we have the file here in the Google Drive environment. I will copy the path and replace at the bottom the input file name here in between the quotes. Now I will run it, and now I have 98 reference converted to RIS format. That's great. So now that I have these 98 references, what I will do is to download these Cochrane reference RIS files. That is the name of the output file. Let's do it. Download, and I will save it in the same path I'm creating my search strategy. I will save it as Cochrane references number 2. Okay, saved. Now, for sure, you might be wondering what is that logo that appears as an M. That logo is for Mendeley. You will need Mendeley to make this quality check of the fields that you export as a RIS file. So I will open my Mendeley Desktop, add files, and my RIS files name is this one, Cochrane references. Yeah, is this one. Open it, and now I have all my files in here. So I was wondering, some of the articles came in a complete way. This is really cool. It's a good feature of Mendeley, but some of them, as this one, well, don't have all the information. So one way to upload the full information of the file is to see after, look and see after the name of the article. So I copy the name, the title of the article, I go back to my Cochrane search, advanced search, I Control F and see about the name of the article. Just 1 second. Control F, Control V, and this is the name of the article. I go back to the information of the article, and here we have the DOI. You just copy the DOI and go back to Mendeley, and at the bottom of Mendeley you have the field of the DOI. Copy and paste the DOI and look at the magnifier, and once you do that you have all the metadata of the article. But there is something missing, the abstract. I need the abstract information to check the quality, or at least to check if I will include or no the article. So one way to do that is right click the name of the article, mark as needs review, and search. Once you do that, the abstract came back as information to the Mendeley, and now you have all the information required to make the right decision of the article. Let's do the same for this other one. So I have the name of the article. I will look after, not all the name, just here, part of the name. I will go to Mendeley, sorry, to Cochrane. Here is my search, the search I already ran. Control F. Let's change the search in here, sorry. Paste the new one, and here is the new study, is the study sharp. I will look after the DOI of the study. Here is the DOI. I will copy the DOI. I will go back to my Mendeley and change the field of the DOI. With the magnifier, I will check, and now I have the fields, but I don't have the abstract. I need the abstract also. So this is the sharp. I will right click, mark as, needs review, search, and now I have the abstract. That's cool. So now that I have all the articles, let's do this last one. If the Russell was a thing. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you can use it. If you have any request, any question regarding how to use it, or maybe struggle using Python to convert the RIS, the text file to a RIS file, that is the one you need for Redman, for Ryan, for Cochrane collaborations, and so on. Just well, I'm here. Have a great Christmas. Goodbye.